Welcome to Park City. I chose very poorly. I brought out the race board because when I woke up it was kind of only half cloudy and the snow was supposed to start later this afternoon, but they're supposed to just get annihilated with snow for the next 2 days. So I'm gonna have some epic powder days, I think, the next few days. But I thought, oh, I'll get a couple hours of carving before the snow starts, but no. And I figured, well, I don't even need my jacket because it wasn't that cold. And it's not that cold, but man, it's dumping. And I can't see anything. So I may only get 1 or 2 more runs on this thing and then I'll have to go down and change, which kind of sucks, but man, there's a huge winter storm warning. We're supposed to get 1 to 2 feet over the next day or two. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so I went and changed and came up to the very top, and it's clear up here. Well, if we get the dump we're expecting, there's some good terrain here. Okay, I went in for a little snack and the snow hadn't really started dumping yet, even though it was heavy. And I said, I'll give it a rest for today and just come back tomorrow with the powder. But it was dumping so much when I came out, I said, okay, let's go out and see what we got. So we'll do another couple runs and see how much snow there actually is right now. That's it for the on-mountain stuff for the first day at Park City. And you may be wondering why I'm not in the camper. Well, I decided since I've got a few days left on this trip, I'm going to splurge. And it's only a couple $100 a night, cheapest thing in Park City, and it's an apartment. I'm going to have 2 nights here, and then once I'm done riding and the snow has stopped, it's about 1,600 kilometers home, so a couple of days drive, and we'll be back in Vancouver. But that's it for today. We got a little bit of powder and it's just dumping now, so tomorrow should be an epic day. Woo! Holy shit! Woo! Hey guys, back in the hotel room for the last night. About to have some dinner. A pizza. Gonna get a little bit of riding done tomorrow morning. Probably won't be as good a powder day as it was today, but it should still be pretty fun. And then I'll be moving on back into the camper and starting the long drive home. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.